Hello everyone. Today we will be demonstrating a final year engineering undergraduate project which is basically RoboPhone. So the primary aim of this project is to control this robot from anywhere in the world. So now I'll just give you a brief overview before the demonstration. So basically here we are using an Android smartphone and we are using the camera of this phone. And in addition to that we have developed a couple of Android apps which we will be using. Now coming to the basic electronic components. This is an MSP430 microcontroller from TI. This is a Bluetooth module. This is a motor driver circuit in which we are using L293D. Now here we have an Intel kit and an 11-inch screen. Here we are performing functions like face recognition, face detection, object recognition and boundary detection. And now coming to the mechanical applications. The first application is cleaning application, which is right here. And the second application is here, which is basically a simple water pump. It's just a prototype which can be used for fire extinguishing automatically. And now the last and I guess the most important application is the gun application. And here we are using a simple crank system to control this gun automatically. And now my team partner Abhitav Sharma, who is sitting at his home, will control this robot from his home.
Hello, I am Abhinav Sharma and I will be controlling that robot from my place.
So you can see that this robot can be used for cleaning AC ducts where humans cannot go. This robot has wide applications in the military field. Soldiers need not go to the battlefield to fight the war. They can sit at a distance far away from the battlefield and control the robot which can fight the war from there.
Now I will show you the application which we have designed, which can be used as a wireless gamepad, or it can be used to play and pause videos or to scroll down different documents. Now I will show you how this works. As you can see, when I press up, the document goes up, and as I press down, page scroll down. Now we will show you the new application in which we will be controlling desktop games like car racing games, and we will be controlling them using Android phone as a gamepad. So now I will start the game. As you can see, the Android phone sensor is being used to control the car movements. Now you can also put it back like this.
So now we will be showing face detection on this kit as well as on this mobile phone. As you can see, two faces have been detected and it has been enclosed by blue squares. Whereas on this mobile phone, those two faces detected have been enclosed by green squares. So now, our final aim is to port everything from this kit onto this mobile phone like face detection, face recognition and boundary detection, so that we can get rid of this expensive kit and have everything on a mobile phone.